Welcome to the tutorial on EDU Blogs. EDU Blogs have been the blogs that we've been using for the past few years to use as our student digital portfolios to showcase our best and brightest work. However, today's tutorial is going to be focusing on the EDU Blogs iPad app. So if you swipe down and start typing in EDU, you will see EDU Blogs show up. Select EDU Blogs. I've already signed in. The first time that you sign in, you'll have to type in your username and password, which will be your first three, last three. And then below will be a third line, and it's going to ask you for a URL. I believe we only have to type that in once to associate with what blog that we need to be connected to. And you can know what URL to select. Underneath the Student Resources home, on the left-hand side under Core Tools, is the Fairview Blogs. If you select Fairview Blogs, up at the top in the URL where it says blogs.fairview.k12.oh.us, the one I just highlighted up at the top, that's the URL that you'll need to type in to be able to connect to your actual blog via the app. So as you can see, this is kind of your home inside the app. It shows you all of the posts that you have posted on your blog. You can open them up. If you wanted to do a new post, in the upper right hand corner you can do a plus. Click where it says title, and this is where you can title the post. This is where you can start typing in the body of the post if you just wanted to add some text. The link is where you can add a URL. Next week, or the next tutorial I should say, I'll be showing how to actually embed a video in. On the bottom I wanted to showcase some features. The settings tool, the little wheel in the lower left hand corner. This is where you can add and categorize your post that you're posting. You can change from the status from published to draft if you didn't want to publish it quite yet. The eyeball would actually be showing you a preview of what your post would look like before you post it if you wanted to see how that's going to look. And then in the lower right hand corner you can see the landscape. This is where you would be able to actually add a photo from your photo library. You could take a photo. So let's say you were doing a science experiment and you wanted to post something to your blog. You could just actually take a picture of the experiment right there and post it directly to your blog. You can even take a video or add a video from your library as well. So I'm going to cancel this post. In the upper left hand corner is also 3 lines. If you touch that, this is where you can obviously add pages, look at comments, but I wanted to showcase down below where it looks with the eyeball. This is where it says Visit Site. If you select Visit Site, this should look pretty familiar to you because this is what our blogs look like. So you can see I have some videos embedded, I have some links and so on. But from here at the top, if you see the house picture, the house icon, if you select that and then select Dashboard, this should look pretty familiar to you because this is what we've been looking at when we've been on the computers using EDU Blogs. So this is kind of, the dashboard is kind of our command center. This is where we can add more posts, change our appearance, go in and approve comments or not allow comments. What I wanted to show today though is under Appearance. If you wanted to go and select themes, maybe you wanted to change the theme that you had last year. So go ahead this year and change your theme. Just remember that some of the themes don't work really well for our purposes where we're posting videos that we've uploaded to YouTube, or if we have a Glogster project or a keynote presentation, sometimes those posts go over in themes. So just be careful on what theme that you are selecting. So go ahead today, explore the app, play around, try and figure out things that you might not have known before.